Hello everyone, so welcome back into my ninth video of today on 7th December 2024 on Cinema channel. As you know guys, this is our second last video of today, so must like, share, subscribe for more. So just imagine this, as you know, this is our new learning video, education video and entertainment video. Let's start it with your own thoughts. So let's start, okay? Hey everyone, today I have an incredible story about MrBeast's wild adventure in the middle of Blizzard. What do you know about it? What is Blizzard? Otherwise I tell you, okay? Imagine this picture. This Mr. Beast, known for his epic challenges, decides to take on something completely different, surviving a blizzard in the mountains. As the snow starts to fall, he quickly realizes that this is not just another challenge, it's a test of resilience and teamwork. With his crew by his side, they gather supplies and set up a makeshift camp. But here is the twist. They are not just trying to survive, they are on a mission to help others stranded in the storm. As the winds howl and temperatures drop, Mr. Beast learns a powerful lesson about community and compassion. They venture out into the blizzard, delivering food and blankets to those in need. It's in this freezing chaos that he discovers the true meaning of giving back. Through teamwork and determination, they not only survive but thrive. Thrive. What is their meaning? If you know what is the meaning of thrive, otherwise I tell you. Okay, just ask your question in the comments. Maybe. Okay, turning a potentially dinosaurs situation into an opportunity to make a difference. The blizzard becomes a backdrop for something greater, a reminder that even in the harsh conditions, kindness prevails. So, what can we take away from this wild adventure? It's a simple. When faced with challenges, we have the power to transform our struggles into acts of survive in a world that often feels divided. Moments like these show us that compassion can unite us all. Okay, so next time you face a storm, literal or metaphorical, remember Mr. Beast's adventure. Embrace the challenge, lend a hand, and you might just find that your wildest experiences lead to the most meaningful lessons. Stay inspired everyone. Okay, bye for now.